What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here up in Florence, and we're at this really cool campsite. It is a little windy, but we are kind of being blocked from the wind by these boulders. It's a really cool boulder area. Come check out camp. It's pretty cool, and it's gonna be a fun weekend. Good morning, everybody. We just packed up camp. We're about to go hit this sweet trail right now, and we're gonna air down the tires. But of course, I got to give you guys the Overland series exhaust. It's badass. Let's hit the trail.
Growing up in Arizona, I really did not like it. Just really hot desert, and I wasn't really a big fan of the desert. But I grew up and then I realized it's a beautiful place to explore and kind of see things, and the desert's just really differently everywhere. And I know all my East Coaster friends wish they had some desert out there. So I'm here to make those videos for you guys. So make sure to give me a like, comment, subscribe. I noticed that you guys only really like my build videos, but can't be buying for the truck stuff all the time, you know, it costs a lot of money. So just make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out build my channel and grow so I can make cool videos for you guys just like this.
Guys, well, we just got done at this trail. It's been pretty fun, and I'm sunburned shit. Can you see this shit? Look at my bald spot, dude. Look how white it is. Sunburn. But you've been liking desert camping lately? Yeah, Kate's been liking desert camping, and I was never really a big fan until now, and I see the desert in a new light, especially that like boulder area, the cool boulders and shit where we camped and everything. It's pretty fun, and we're about to go get a Slurpee at the gas station, but we're gonna air up and hit the road. All right, everybody, we are airing up the truck right now, and then we're heading home. So that's about it for this week's video. It was a really cool camp spot, just hanging out with some friends by the camp and hitting some trails in the morning. It was just a nice desert exploration day because it's gonna start getting pretty hot here soon, and we won't be able to camp in the desert anymore, and it's kind of sad. But like I said, I've been loving the desert camping, and I really just want to go get a Slurpee right now with me and Kate, but I'm freaking sunburned, and yeah, we've been camping for 2 nights, so it's time to go home and take a shower and relax a little bit. But I'm sad I didn't get to smack the sliders around today, but we just a couple little desert off-road spots and everything. So like, comment, subscribe. I respond to every single one of you guys, and I love all your comments. Even talk shit to me in the comments, and I appreciate it. I'll respond back to you. But I appreciate you guys so much. Take it easy. Love you. Bye.